We can also look at calculating the payment we would need to make per period to meet a specific savings goal. So, for example, in number 3, we want to find the payment per period necessary to reach a future value of $682,000 from an account bearing 4.25% interest compounded annually for 15 years. This is similar to previous problems where we calculated present value, but rather than a total amount we have to deposit all at once, now we're going to spread that payment on our part out over some compounding period in a number of years. So the formula above, we have lowercase p representing our number of payments, is a function of that future value, our interest rate, time t, and number of compounding periods. Just like we did with calculating present value, we want to make sure that whatever answer we get, that we round that up, regardless of what normal rounding rules would tell us, to make sure that we have enough, if not even a little bit more than our goal, at the end of that period. I've got this function already entered into Desmos, so plugging in our values, for example 3, that future value of $682,000 with 4.25% interest over 15 years, compounded annually, so a value of 1, means we would need to pay $33,431.94, since we'll round that up, each period. That's the amount we need to pay per period. In this case, our interest is being compounded annually, so this number that we're calculating is telling us how much we need to invest in that account, how much we need to pay into that account each year to hit that goal. In example 4, we want to repeat this problem with the same conditions, except we're going to change our compounding period to quarterly. So we'll change that 1 to a 4, and now we get a value of $8,184.21, since we'll round up. Again, that's how much we need to pay per period. Since interest is being compounded quarterly, that means we need to pay this amount, this $8,000 and some dollars, into our account quarterly, so 4 times a year. Taking that times 4 means that annually we'd be paying $32,736.84 into our account. So with interest being compounded quarterly, more frequently, interest is accruing faster, our investment is growing quicker. So within a given year, we're actually paying less into that account to hit that same future value.